Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Yosef Bodnar and I'm continuing the series of Java tutorials here on IT.tutorials. This Java tutorial has the goal to talk about compound assignment operator. Here is this table where you can find all the compound assignment operator, starting with this one and up to this one. The first one in this table actually is just the assignment operator. So as you can see, the compound assignment operator contains two operators. In this example, this addition operator, and the next one is the assignment operator, as you can see. So also you can use the compound assignment operator to perform various operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Also, you have to know that the compound assignment operator will assign the value outcome of an expression to the variable located on the left side of the expression. For example, here x has this value 5. So if I take this expression where we have this compound assignment operator, actually 5 will be added to 3, and the result, which will be 8, will be assigned to this variable x, which, as you can see, is situated on the left of this expression. So the compound operator contains two operators, and at the same time will assign the value outcome of a expression to a variable situated on the left side of the expression. So let's go inside the IntelliJ IDE, and here I'm going to do some example, not just related to a compound assignment operator, also related to the assignment operator. So here on this line I declared two double variable a and b. A is assigned by this value 6 and b with this value 2. I'm going to remove these comments here to activate this code line, and here you can see I used another way to assign this value 10 to these two variables a and b using twice this assignment operator. So you can use to assign the same value to many variables, to more variables than one, using this way to using in this way this assignment operator. So let me to comment out again this line, yeah. And now I'm going to run this application, and here you go. I need these two lines to be remove the comments, and let's run again this application. And here you go. The result for a is 6 and for b 2, because these two variables was assigned by this value 6 for a and 2 for b, yeah. And now let's remove these comments, yeah, here. I don't need this actually. Alright, and now let's run again this application. And now, as you can see, these two variables has this value 10, yeah, because on this line the value which was before assigned to these two variables a and b, which was this 6 and 2, is changed with 10, because I used to assign these variables with this value 10 using in this way this assignment operator, yeah. Alright, so let's go further, and I'm gonna to activate now this code line. And here, as you can see, I use this expression in side parentheses where b is assigned by this value 3. Now you have to know that the expression inside the parentheses has the highest level, so they are going to be the first executed by compiler. So that means here in this expression the first will be executed this expression inside the parentheses by compiler, and after the multiplication operation. So the result here will be that b will be assigned by this value 3, and at the end b will have this value 3 and a 6. Let's see if this is true. Let's run again this application. Here you go. As you can see, a has this value 6 and b this value 3. Yeah. Why? Because as I told you, the compiler will execute this expression inside the parentheses. So b will receive this value 3. 3 will be multiplied with 2, and the result 6 will be assigned to this variable a. Alright, so you can use the assignment operator in this way or in a various expression as you have seen before. Now let's move forward and I'm going to remove here the comments and here as well. Alright, and let's release this application, and the result is as you can see 8, the result of this addition. Yeah. Alright, yeah, because these two variables has these values 6 for a and 2 for b, as you can see. Yeah. So actually this addition operation can be rewrite in this way: a plus equal b semicolon, and we should receive the same result if I run the application again. As you can see, addition here equal with 8. So what I have done here, actually I replaced this expression which perform a addition operation with compound assignment operator, yeah, using the addition operator and the assignment operator. As you can see, the a variable was removed, and it was left just a variable a situated on the left of this expression. So actually these two expressions are equivalent. They do the same, they perform the same operation, the result is the same. So you can replace this kind of expression with compound assignment operator. Yeah. All right. You can do any type of operation. Yeah. Any type result for a. Any type of operation like subtraction. You just replace plus with minus using the compound assignment operator, or you can use the multiplication operator, and this expression will perform the multiplication between a and b. Yeah, here is the result, as you can see, or the division, and let's run this application, and here is the result for a division, or modular. Yeah. So as you can see, you can use the compound assignment operator to perform various arithmetic operations, and as you can see, it contains two operators, and the result of the expression will be assigned to the variable situated on the left side. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.